In the previous video, we wired up the StatTrak for the 11.1 LiPo. So in this video, we'll go over the settings and how to use the interface. So to turn on the StatTrak, you just press and hold both buttons at the same time. Here you will see the main display with the kills. You can either add or deduct kills. So you add by clicking either of the buttons, and then you can remove kills by just holding either of these buttons. To cycle through to the next page, you just press both buttons at the same time. In the second screen, you can count both your kills and respawns. So right button for the respawns, left for the kills, so respectively. And then we can press again. Here we can see the stat screen. We can see that we can see the total kills and deaths as well as KD ratio, and the same for the game ratio. And here on the bottom, we can see the battery. Currently it's set to none, so that means there's no battery safety function enabled, and we can see that it's powered by 12.07 volts, so that's the current state of charge for the battery we have inside the gun. And then finally, the next page, we have the settings. To navigate the settings, you press the right button to go down and the left button to go up. And to change the setting, you just press and hold the right button. For example, here we can switch the main counter, which is the big numbers, from the total kills to game kills. And we can go ahead and, for example, here on the top, we can reset the game and press yes, and it will reset the total, the counter, the main counter, which is now the game counter, and we can go ahead and start counting a new game hit. And as you can see here in the stats screen, it will keep the total amount of kills we initially counted, and then we can now see the current game one, which is 3 kills and 0 respawns. To set up the battery, we want to go ahead and go down to the battery setting here. Again, press the right side button and cycle through to the correct battery setting. This will set two things. It will make sure that the StatTrak turns off when the battery reaches a critical state, so we don't over discharge the battery. As well, it will show the battery percentage left on the current battery inside the gun. So if you're using an AEG, you will be able to see your current battery status on the main screen. Here's the setting auto off. That will determine whether the device will automatically shut off after a certain period of time. So for example, if you leave it in a bag and forgot to turn it off, you can set that, for example, it turns off automatically after 2 hours if none of the buttons have been pressed. Then here we have a setting show battery. If you enable this, you will see on the main screen, we'll now have a battery bar right on the right hand side, and it will show the state of charge of the current battery that's inside the replica. So when it goes to the 0, you know that you'll need to probably replace the battery that you're using for your AEG. Let's go back to the settings. Here we have a low battery notification. So if we enable that, we can set at what percentage approximately it will show up. This will be an audible and visual warning that, hey, your battery is about to run out. So this can be useful when you're using it in a game and you just don't want to end up in a situation where you ran out of battery and the gun no longer works. So this is very useful for those scenarios. Here we can adjust the brightness. You can obviously adjust this setting accordingly. If you're playing outdoors in the bright sun, you might need to go up to the 100%, but yeah, we recommend keeping it slightly down, closer to the 80%. Then going down below, we have some settings related to brightness. By default, it comes that the screen will dim after you don't touch the device after a while. This will save a little bit of your battery and will make sure that you protect the OLED screen from burning out. As you can see, the screen dimmed down to 20% after 5 seconds, and obviously you can change that setting to whatever you want, or completely turn it off if you go to the fully left side. And here you can obviously turn off or on the sound and do a factory reset if you want to completely reset the numbers on the device. We also have a firmware update section. We'll have a separate video for that, but currently we don't have any updates planned for the device, only hotfixes in case we find some bugs. But as of the time of recording this video, we're on the version 1.0, and currently everything's been stable. In case we ever ask you, we'll send you a video on how to do the update, but as it stands, everything's good. So yeah, that pretty much goes through the whole settings. And yeah, as you can see, the battery state also shows in the second screen as well. And yeah, that's the StatTrak. Let me know if you have any issues. You can always reach us via email or our socials. And happy airsofting, and hope you enjoyed the StatTrak.